It's my turn.
Hello, it's Matthew.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
And today we are unveiling
Batgirl costume. So this Batgirl costume is the Arkham Asylum version. And this is actually supposed to be a surprise gift to me by my husband Matthew. This is our second unboxing. The first unboxing we did is Green Ranger Legacy helmet. Now I'm going to
I still got trash on the floor.
technically unboxing this the initial package that it came all the way from Hong Kong.
This particular costume has not been opened by us. None of these have. These are actual true unveilings. So scissors are over there. Be careful, don't cut into your leather. We need to get a table for this. We'll be on the up and up.
I'm excited. Like I'm opening a Christmas present.
I don't even know if there's a costume in there.
There's no more room for any more space like this.
Hopefully they wrapped it all in the cape. Yeah,
Oh my!
looks pretty good.
I can already smell it.
Does it smell like leather?
It smells important.
Alright, this has been made by leftover Coach bags. Kidding.
No! Return the Coach bag. Oh, hey, look, it's a zip box.
Oh good, that's good for, that's very convenient for packing.
Yeah, though I don't know if I can put this back like this again.
Well, I mean there's, but what I'm saying is it's nice to see that you actually looks like you have two Ziploc bags.
Yeah. Okay, let's start with this first.
Alright.
This is, oh, it's really nice. Look at this.
Well, I can't look at it, it's in the bag.
It's very detailed.
Tell me what it is!
This, man, you cannot scold me.
No, I'm not scolding you, that's me being surprised. Tell me what it is! Scold you.
It smells like paint. It's not.
Oh yeah, it smells like fish and chips. Stacy's gonna love it.
Oh gosh, I like.
Oh, those are our boots.
I like the details.
Those are very nice.
Oh yikes! It's very girlish. She's like.
Maybe hold one up and.
You gotta
Oh yeah, it's got like a wedge. It'll give her a little bit of lift. Nice.
Yes. Look at that. Take your time to do it, and it's very detailed.
That's very important because we did an order right around the Chinese New Year, so it took a little longer.
Yeah. And it's working really good. Wow.
Oh yeah, smell good.
I have another helmet.
We have a better mask, I imagine. That one looks like it's.
This one, it looks like it got bent.
Yeah, that will take a little bit of some shaking. Why don't you put it on for the rest of the video? Probably got those.
Oh yeah.
I hope it will shake.
You probably can stuff some paper inside. I like your other mask better. It's gonna look better than that one. Well, you don't even have the mask on right. You gotta look through the eye holes.
How is it?
Oh, perfect.
Bad?
It looks awesome.
Looks awesome.
Looks like you've seen better days. And gauntlets. There's the cape.
Oh, here's the cape.
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
Oh, shucks. It smells.
Well, you can leave it all air out.
Oh, I'm scared that
Just peel it slow.
It will be like cracked or something.
No, because you can leave it hanging.
Okay.
I would probably leave that hanging.
Not all my. I feel like the material will crack.
I don't think so. That's beautiful.
It is beautiful. I like how they sew it really good, like see the details and stuff. Oh, look at that. I don't know what quality of it.
Yeah.
And the length is pretty much
Oh, and it's got a little bat on it where it buckles.
where? In here? Yes. Oh yeah, I got a butt. Look at that.
That's really cool. We'll mess with it later.
And the length is
The length is perfect.
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 Yeah, perfect.
Alright, go ahead, pull out. Next piece.
And I like how this is.
Yeah, that's neat because the inside is kind of like a gold black color mixed together. It's really nice.
Because usually the capes are just like if they have.
They just have one layer and that's it. Yeah, it's two pieces sewn together. Really, really good detail.
Oh yeah, there's the rest of it. That's okay, don't worry about it. We'll get that in a minute.
There's your gloves and everything. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, look at that.
Looking cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like a jumpsuit. That's really nice.
Yeah. Hope this one. I already have a built-in muscle.
Yep, you can no more working out. You can eat all the donuts you
I
want.
know.
All right.
But it looks like it's
Yeah, try it on. You can try it on a little bit. It's.
not anything here.
We'll see. I don't think so. I think it'd be perfectly fine. Looks cool. Looks kind of like the first X-Men movie suits.
Yeah, I like that. Look
Yeah,
at
the bat is really nice, and the detail is really good. I think it'll look really good once she puts it on.
Yes.
It almost looks almost like a motorcycle suit, and the inside is nice. It's not like a little Halloween costume or nothing. It's super nice, and it's got a little flexibility to it. So yeah, it'll fit. It'll be nice.
Here you go.
And then we will do a test fit, and you can see her all fully garbed.
This is really good too. Look at the details.
Oh yeah, the back is really cool. The gold and the knuckles. It's a great looking suit. It's going to be great. And then I think these are her little gauntlets, and I think they go on this way like this. And then they'll strap around. They got some Velcro, which is nice because with leather it ain't gonna hurt it like a lycra suit.
And of course my belt. Cheers!
Oh yeah, that looks cool. We will return in just a moment.
My full costume. Really like it. I will give it a 5-star.
Why don't you turn around? Overall, you just let it sit out, and it's a magnificent costume, especially with that mask. That mask is, I mean, the way it fits her head and lets her hair out, I mean, it's just a perfect design for everything. And then there is the show stealer right there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.